FeatureCam's Feature Turn lets you take full advantage of your NC turning center to produce turned parts quickly and efficiently. With the same interface and workflow of any other FeatureCam module, Feature Turn allows you to go through steps to create the part. So I'll start with a stock step. You can step through, define the size, shape, material, and setup location, and then verify your settings. The next step is to either import or draw your geometry. So I'll use FeatureCam's onboard geometry constructors to draw a simple part. Using my snaps, I can snap to this grid to help me draw very accurately and very easily. Now I'll go back and add some fillets to this geometry by simply snapping them in. Now that my geometry is drawn, I can go to my curves. I can chain these pieces of geometry into a single profile that I can now use to create my feature. From this curve I can do a variety of features. I'll go with a turn feature, select the curve, see a preview, step through the wizard. Now I can select the strategies I want to use, and I'll click Finish. And the feature-based CAM technology will select my tooling for me and all of the machining parameters, and I can run a simulation. That simulation gives me all of the data I need, including my NC code. Now I'll add another feature or two here. Go back to the features, and now I can say, let's just face that part off. I don't have to draw anything. I can do it from dimensions. Go through and fill out all the information I need, including the location and the strategy. I'll click Finish. And FeatureCam automatically puts the face feature at the top of my order. So now this will happen first before the turning feature is executed. Let's add one more feature here. Again, one from dimensions. I'll just add a whole feature showing you that you can just go through the wizard and fill in the blanks. I can see a preview of the hole that I want, make any changes I need, and click Finish. This time running a 3D simulation. Other feature types that you can create are grooves, threads, cutoffs, and bores. Feature Turn also offers FeatureCam's feature recognition to accelerate programming by generating toolpaths directly from CAD models. A wizard helps you get the model imported and aligned, and then you can go over to AFR, which is automatic feature recognition, to go through, analyze the solid, and find all of the machining features it can. I'll click Finish and run a simulation. There's the centerline sim and the 3D simulation based on features taken directly off of the model. Feature Turn also supports multiple setups and sub-spindles. With our part handling feature, users can select the type of transfer they want, they enter the parameters they need, and click Finish. Not only will the G-codes for these functions be generated, but with our machine simulation module, you can run a full machine sim, making sure that your part runs gouge free.